split. 7 minutes and 30 sa fourth quarter. Ay, nasa Sarabia, wala. Pass to Sean. Back to Jacob. Ayan si Axel. Ay, naku po. Ayan na si Kuya Jason. Nanana po. Sabi ni Kuya Jason, akin na yan. Pinasa kay Banal. Pinasa kay William. Shots na last shot. Okay, go. Sub rep, sub. 7 minutes. 48. 49, 46. In favor of Jacob, to Kuya Tors! Wala, rebound by Banal. Ayan na, tatlong nakaputihan. Banal to Kuya Jason. 2 points. Warning delaying the game. 49-48, isa na lang ang lamang. 6 minutes and 20. Ayan ako ni Ray Jason. Pass to Tarzan, to Banal. Ayan na, 3-on-3. Sarabia. Paraiko. In out. 5 minutes and 55. 50-48. Na mga nakapula. Rasen. At may foul. Foul number 14 Sarabia. Sub rep, sub. Tawagin nyo lang, sub, sub. 5 minutes and 38 sa ating fourth and final quarter. Running time yan mga boss, ha? Fourth quarter na tayo. Ngayon, 2 points for shot.